In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track next steps in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Let's keep this simple and practical. Pipedrive's activities area is your central hub for everything you and your team need to do: calls to make, emails to send, meetings to attend, and follow-ups to keep deals moving. Think of it as your shared to-do list that keeps everyone aligned and on schedule. Start by opening the Activities section from the left pane. This takes you straight to a clear view of all scheduled and pending work. Here, you'll see what's already on the calendar, what's coming up, and what might be overdue. It's designed to help you quickly understand what needs attention without digging around. You'll typically see key details like the activity subject, the related deal or contact, the due date, and the person responsible. A quick scan will tell you whether today is heavy with calls or if you've got a big deadline this week. If you need to add something new, use the Add button at the top left. This is perfect for capturing next steps the moment they come up, right after a call, during a meeting, or when you're planning your day. Give each activity a clear title, pick the right type, and set a due date and time so it lands exactly where it should in your schedule. If it relates to a deal or a contact, link it so everything stays connected. A short note can help future you, or a teammate, remember the context at a glance. To keep your view focused and manageable, use the filters at the top right. Filters help you narrow everything down to what matters most right now. You can show only the activities assigned to you, or zero in on those with approaching deadlines. It's also helpful to filter by activity type if you want to batch similar work. For example, handling all your follow-up calls in one block. If your day's getting busy, a quick filter to see what's due today or this week can make prioritization effortless. And that's it. The Activities section is where you track your next steps and goals, stay on top of commitments, and keep momentum across your pipeline. Open Activities from the left pane, review what's already scheduled, add anything that's missing with the Add button, and use the filters on the top right to focus your day. With this simple routine, you'll always know exactly what to do next, and your deals will move forward with a lot less stress.